Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover your Poloniex account password. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to recover your Poloniex account password using the Poloniex mobile app. The first thing you need to do is to launch the Poloniex app on your mobile device, which of course you have done right here. On the app's main screen, okay, that's if you need to recover your password, it means you have troubles, trying to sign in and try creating your account. You most likely forgot your password, and while logging in or signing into Poloniex, they're asking for your password and you just forgot and you want to recover it. So these are the steps that you need to take. So on the app's main screen, you're going to see an option for you to sign in. So tap the sign in button to go to the login page, okay, on the app's main screen. Or for the updated interface, you may most likely not see the login or the sign in button on the app main screen. You have to click on the top left corner of your screen and you'll find the sign in and login button. Okay, so just go to the login page, and once you go to the login page, below the password field, you will see a forgot password option. Now tap on it to initiate the password recovery process. Then you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with the Poloniex account. Type in the email address you used to create the account. After entering your email, tap submit, and Poloniex will send a password reset link to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Poloniex titled Reset Your Poloniex Password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. In the email, there'll be a password reset link. Click on the link to be redirected to a page where you can reset your password. On the password reset page, enter your new password. Make sure to choose a strong password combining letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Then tap Reset Password to save the changes. Go back to Poloniex mobile app and use your new password to log in. After resetting your password, consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra security if you haven't done so already. And you can follow the instructions to set up 2FA using Google Authenticator. Now you should be able to log in with your new password. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.